What's happening? I know y'all done heard about Total Impact. That's where it's lit. That's where it's lit. You got skills, but you can't get your shit in the street. You need to holler. Total Impact got the baddest rapper behind bars under contract. Check this out. Woo.
You really want to take it back?
Nigga, I don't need no partners. I hang with a chopper out the window, rock until I got you shit. Go and get your rally and set him up for the felly. I put some in his belly, you better tell him.
Crops are drove that I can roll with till the cops lock the door. I'm rocking with my mobster folks. I should know better, but I'm a sweater till I knock the hoe. Molly, Polly, poppin' folk. Gas, break, stop and go. Deeper than the sea, bruh. Aaliyah couldn't rock the boat. Ride with the semi like a Keem on my Joffy Joe. She knowin' I'm a player like Layla.
Can we be on the track? It's gonna be like that in such a crazy way. Whatever it is that you do when you do what you're doing, it's a feeling I want to say.
If I could go back to the day I met you, I'd probably let you walk past. Even if you had ass, I was hella stupid.
Baby, don't you hurt me. You like a tall glass of water and I'm thirsty. Every day we blow up back like it's your birthday. Why you mad and trying to spaz when you in first place?
Inspired by a true story. Apartment 4C. Shorty scored points quicker than LB scored threes. Before she hung where all the ratchet whores be. Showing curves till she told them birds soar free. Yeah, that was fly, cause all they got was E.
Why would you not bring your weapon? It get cold in my section. Bounce out, give a fuck what you rapping. Brought a ruler, I'ma teach him a lesson. And I mean it. Slide down, put them on defense. On defense, slide down, put them niggas on defense.
My brother is Jama, my little homie claiming cool. One got shot, the other caught with the Uzi. Chop suey, hockin' loogies. Cause partner rockin' Boosie, nigga gave the boy the blues. Like he started boxing Tukey. Axe out to rock the koofy. To hit the block is spooky. Even Knox start snitching, send the soda rock.
Murder Rue, but don't get no better than that. Already been featured with known Bay Area artists such as Be The Weed, Lean the Dream, Al the Gamer, Marvelous, Be Legit, and more. Endorsed by Bay Area generals like Be Legit, King Sato, and E40. Incarcerated but incorporated. Ford Dog, Total Impact, CEO. What's happening? I know y'all done heard about